Hello, and welcome to Learnosity's webinar focused on STEM, coding, and innovation, and how we put our customers on the fast track to modernizing their STEM experiences. My name is Kathleen Hake, and I'm a product manager and math specialist at Learnosity, based out of San Francisco, California. Learnosity is the global leader in assessment solutions. Serving more than 400 million learners, our mission is to advance education and learning worldwide with best-in-class technology. Our APIs make it easy for modern learning platforms to quickly launch fully featured products, scale on demand, and always meet the fast-evolving market needs. We've been working hard at forging new relationships to build an ecosystem of partner companies who've developed innovative STEM capabilities. In this webinar, we detail what's required to deliver engaging STEM assessments that support the learner's acquisition of knowledge, enable high interactivity, and provide a modern digital experience. STEM assessments include some of the most complex content in the world of learning. These subjects challenge learners to think creatively and apply problem-solving skills to a variety of topics. Some of the skills these learners need are mathematical proficiency, since a solid foundation in mathematics is fundamental, analytical skills and spatial reasoning abilities, since STEM fields frequently require data analysis and the ability to interpret graphs and charts, and computer and technology skills, since in today's world, technology is integral to STEM, and proficiency in using computers and relevant software for data analysis, modeling, and programming is important. Meeting the technical requirements to effectively assess the spectrum of STEM subjects can be incredibly challenging. To deliver an assessment experience that develops STEM skills and solidifies learner understanding, learning platforms need a flexible assessment engine that supports a range of solving strategies, personalized feedback capabilities that guide learners towards mastery of foundational topics, highly interactive visual tools that drive learner engagement and aid in comprehension, and to incorporate coding tasks for assessments related to computer science and problem-solving questions that apply to real-world scenarios. So let's take a closer look at these requirements and how Learnosity has been deepening its assessment engine and integrating leading partner technologies, including Alchemy, Algebra Kit, Desmos Studio, Tuba, and Qualified to tackle these requirements. First, we will focus on the requirements regarding mathematical proficiency. Assessments need question experiences that support learners performing calculations, solving equations, and applying mathematical concepts to scientific and engineering problems, a flexible assessment engine that supports a range of solving strategies, and that personalized feedback capabilities that guide learners towards the mastery of these fundamental topics. Auto-scoring is the beating heart of online math assessments. It saves content authors time from generating multiple correct answers and provides instant feedback on progress to learners. With our revamped math scoring engine, we enable your learning platform to assess some of STEM's most advanced topics. The sophisticated scoring engine quickly recognizes different correct answers, so learners aren't penalized for tackling problems with different approaches, like we see in this example where one student might choose to use trig substitution, the other uses U substitution. We've also added in better support for scoring conceptual questions, and as you'll see in this next example, support for vectors, which might show up in calculus, linear algebra, or physics. We've also added in a variety of tolerance options, which can be really helpful for numeric answers, so you can choose between a percent error, an absolute error, or a range. All of this comes with a simplified user experience, which allows content authors to easily customize that scoring behavior based on the learning objective. Next, we'll take a look at one of our partners' functionalities. So in this demo, we're taking a look at our partner Algebra Kit, who harnesses the power of feedback. In this step-by-step math question type, the engine detects mistakes and provides meaningful feedback through automated, personalized hints that allow learners to develop essential math skills. So as you can see here, when we made an error, we got some feedback that was relevant to that step, and that allows us to then progress through and solve that problem and build our mathematical proficiency. Learners may be asked to interpret or create diagrams, charts, graphs, or other visual representations as a part of their STEM assessments. So now we'll focus on interactive tools that can aid in comprehension. We partner with companies like Alchemy because they know how to deliver immersive assessment experiences. With our partnership, abstract concepts come alive to build visualization and spatial reasoning skills, and you can utilize custom question types to enable exploration of chemical structures and 3D models. Deliver immediate feedback to students as they explore content. One of our longest running partnerships is with Desmos Studio, who create best-in-class digital math tools. By combining the capability offered by Desmos Studio and Learnosity, you can deliver more interactive and engaging content by adding a graphing, matrix, scientific, or four-function calculator to your Learnosity item. Like you see in this example here, where we've added the graphing calculator to this Learnosity auto-scored math question type. That way the learner can graph the functions that this question is about to help them understand what the answer is going to be. You can also meet learners' unique needs by building custom graphing item types that utilize the Desmos functionality. Lastly, we will discuss how learners are required to apply their knowledge and problem-solving skills to real-world scenarios. These questions may involve calculations, data analysis, or experimental design. Additionally, learners may be required to write and execute code, solve coding problems, or complete programming tasks. Through the Tuva Learnosity partnership, you can now author more attention-grabbing assessments and ground your problems in real-world scenarios. Enable learners to explore, manipulate, visualize, and analyze real-world data that then enriches their experience. Here we are seeing a dataset containing information on over 400 of the world's roller coasters. By incorporating the Tuva tool alongside Learnosity questions, this allows learners to reflect on real-world aspects to try to explain patterns that they see in the data, and also practice describing and interpreting variability using range, distribution shape, center, and interquartile range. Your learning platform should also allow software programming learners to enter code in different ways, either submitted in line with the body text or as a discrete code block like we see in this demo. This removes the need for learners to upload any additional documents when submitting code. Our partner Qualified extends coding assessments even further. Build your own coding challenges, choose from a library of coding assessments, and use actual unit testing to validate submitted code. By simulating real-world coding experiences, you can unlock opportunities to assess content in computer science courses, coding bootcamps, and certification programs. That wraps up our webinar showcasing how with a single integration, STEM learning platforms can gain access to our best-in-class math scoring engine and an entire ecosystem of innovative capabilities to engage learners and provide a modern STEM digital experience. If you're interested in learning more, you can reach out to team@learnosity.com. We hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.